Oh, hey. How you doing? We're doing a little fix it again. I don't know if any of you guys know what this is. It's a hot tub pillow. Well, for a jacuzzi. I think it's like a 2014 or 16. I don't know. They made these for a while. And then they have different brands that have these foam pillows in the hot tubs. And what starts happening from the chemicals is there's like a waterproof membrane that's over here that ends up getting eaten away by the chemicals. You probably can see it on here, all along here. It all starts going in the water, and then what happens is this part gets all moldy because the water just starts sitting in there getting moldy. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to try something. I don't know if it's going to work, and we're going to find out together. So what I did is I made a little paint booth here out of a box, and I'm just going to pop these little suckers out. I'm going to save these. This whole unit, if I want to replace it, is like $80 to $100 each. So ain't gonna happen. I ain't paying that. Okay, so we're gonna try. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use this Plasti dip. That's right, Plasti dip. And apparently it's resists weather, chemicals. It's rubberized, stays soft and pliable, flexible. So we're gonna try this out. I got gray, and I was too cheap to buy 2 cans to do a white and a gray two-tone. So we're just gonna go all gray and see how that works. Okay. And what I did was I just took a coat hanger and put it through the box, and then made these, cut these little hooks out of pieces of coat hanger, and then we'll just hang them up on here, and it's an easier way to paint them, right? I don't have to touch them. And it says on the can you got to wait 30 minutes in between coats. Okay. Now, before these two are already ready to go, this guy here, what I wanted to do is grab some this sandpaper, or I can't remember what this stuff is called, 3M stuff, and just take the any of the loose pieces off of here before we do this. So I'm just going to sand this, kind of get it all nice and smooth. You can see there's all these like loose cracks on there. I'm going to just go over that. See, that all disappears when you give it a nice little sanding. I also cleaned these all with bleach and water beforehand because they were just covered in this black spotted mold, and it's disgusting. So I just took them out of the hot tub, cleaned the whole hot tub, and I wasn't going to put these back, but it kind of looks weird without them. Looks like it's missing something. Okay. Give it a little blow. Good to go. Give a little blow. Good to go. That's what she said. Okay. This one has a little spot here I don't like. That's good. Actually, let's get some of this loose stuff off of here. Right. Some of you might be wondering, why don't you just buy new ones? Like, what's the big deal? $100 a pillow. But in case you're living under a rock, if you're living in the U.S. or Canada under these liberal governments, Justin Trudeau has, and I think Biden as well, has made everything super expensive. Groceries, all with these carbon taxes and everything. It's hard to even afford to live right now. So all these little fix-it things, they all make sense when you got to put food on the table. All right, I'm gonna take this. Oh, and this stuff's not cheap either. This was like $25 for 1 can. Okay, let's do it. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna wait. It says on the can that we gotta wait 30 minutes, and then we're gonna do another coat. You can do as many coats as you want. I'm gonna do 3, and then I'm gonna do the other part. Okay, we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so these have been sprayed, about 4 different coats on it, and let them dry half an hour in between each coat, and now this is the result. It's flexible. Doesn't look like it's cracking or anything. That's what it's going to look like. Let's try them out in the hot tub. Okay, so that's what they look like in the hot tub. Look pretty good. We will see how they stand up to the bromine. Looks pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Actually, I like the gray better than white and gray. What do you think, bud? You like it?